193 grams and is indeed a chunky monkey. The phone comes with a hybrid SIM card slot. That means you can either put in 2 Nano SIMs or a Nano SIM along with a microSD card. Samsung offers Galaxy M42 5G in 2 color options, Prism Black and Prism Grey. Alright, we get a 6.6-inch Super AMOLED teardrop screen. It is also in this display we get a fingerprint sensor which is fairly snappy. There is a stereo speaker setup on the M42 5G which complements the display efficiently. Alright, it is a main 48 megapixel sensor, an 8 megapixel ultra-wide sensor, a 5 megapixel depth sensor and finally a 5 megapixel macro lens. On the front we have a 20 megapixel shooter. Samsung Galaxy M42 5G is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G octa-core 5G processor. The processor makes the smartphone 5G compatible and 5G ready. So Samsung Galaxy M42 5G comes with Android 11 out of the box. Just like other Samsung products, the phone runs on One Touch OS. There are preloaded Samsung applications in the product which are mostly the brand's alternative to usual Google products. The phone comes with Samsung's own Knox security which helps protect your private data. Samsung Galaxy M42 5G comes with a 5000 mAh battery. The phone supports 15 watt of adaptive fast charging, so you can charge your phone quickly. There is a variant with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, and then there is another variant with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage.